Hi guys, today I would like to share with you 20 IELTS vocabulary. এই ওয়ার্ডগুলোর মিনিং কিন্তু আমি ইংরেজিতেই বলবো। তার কারণ আমরা যদি ইংরেজি থেকে বাংলায় ট্রান্সলেট করি তাহলে আমাদের ইংলিশ স্পিকিংয়ের ফ্লুয়েন্সি কখনোই বাড়বে না। যেমন ধরো, আমি ভাত খাই, আই ইট রাইস। সে স্কুলে যায়, হি গোজ টু স্কুল। এখানে গোয়ের পরে ইয়েস কেন হলো? তার কারণ সাবজেক্ট থার্ড পারসন সিঙ্গুলার নাম্বার, তাই। কিন্তু এইভাবে যদি আমরা ইংরেজি প্র্যাকটিস করি তাহলে আমাদের কখনো ইংরেজিতে ফ্লুয়েন্সি আসবে না। তুমি যেমন ধরো, আমরা যে বাংলায় কথা বলি সেটাকে আমরা কখনো ট্রান্সলেট করে শিখেছি? আমরা শিখেছি ছোটবেলা থেকে দেখে শুনে বা বুঝে। ইংরেজির ক্ষেত্রেও ঠিক সেই রকম। তুমি যত বেশি শুনবে, দেখবে, বুঝবে, তত বেশি তোমার ইংলিশ স্পিকিংয়ে দক্ষতা বাড়বে। ইংরেজিতে একটা কথা আছে, দ্য মোর ইউ লিসেন দ্য মোর ইউ স্পিক। So, let's go jump to the vocabulary. Number 1, intellectual. Intellectual means a intelligent person. That means a person who has a good knowledge and love to thinking and listening. For example, the man sits and reads books all day. Also, the man does research and he is a professor of university. He is an intellectual guy. Number 2, brave. Brave means showing courage. That means not afraid to face something dangerous or difficult. For example, the man bravely climbs up despite his fear of falling. Number 3, debtor. Debtor means scared to someone. That means stop someone from going somewhere by scaring. For example, the man is so scared of watching a horror movie that he can't even look. Number 4, beg. Beg means lacking of clarity. That means when something becomes very difficult to understand. For example, the girl's life was ruined because she had no clarity about her career. Number 5, deliberate. Deliberate means be careful. That means alert to stranger thing. For example, the man show me and came from behind the tree, and I am very afraid of stranger. Number 6, epitome. Epitome means something short and brief. That means something talk about briefly. For example, when you tell different problems to your boss solves the problem briefly. Number 7, diverse. DIVERSE. Diverse means different or several or various. For example, in this video we can see everyone using mobile phones, but a person not using mobile phone. He is different from everyone, and that is the diverse. Number 8, liable. Liable means legally responsible. That means you are responsible for doing something. For example, it is your responsibility to exercise every morning. Number 9, significant. 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 Significant means something important. For example, a thing that you really need in your life that is significant. Number 10, sacked. SACKED. It means getting fired. That means to fire someone from a job. For example, you have been dismissed from your job. Number 11, mild. MILD. That means something very light and easy to carry. For example, if you skip school because you have a mild headache, you might just get a mild punishment. Number 12, fragile. Fragile means breakable and which break easily. For example, this box contains fragile items. Handle with care. Number 13, dawn. DAWN. Dawn means morning time. For example, it start to dawn and we had to get up. Number 14, guilt. GUILT. Guilt means crime or blame. I mean something bad. For example, the man steals the car but later pleads guilty. Number 15, hint. Hint. Hint means signal. That means pointing something. For example, I gave a hint for wanting this gift for my birthday. Number 16, misery. Misery. Misery means a feeling of unhappiness. For example, I no longer found peace in my life. My life was filled with misery. Number 17, Bejar. Bizarre. Bejar. Bejar means something weird or strange. For examples, look at these two characters. I have never seen such a bizarre things before. Number 18, alteration. 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 Alteration means do change something. For example, you can see that both have swiped each other's flowers. This is called alteration. Number 19, intend. Intend. Intend means desire or purpose. That means desire to do something in life. For example, my purpose in life is to become a pilot when I grow up. Number 20, timid. Timid. Timid means showing fear and lack of confidence. For example, here is the boy sitting in fear of not being able to play and losing. So that's it guys, today's video. See you in the next another day with new topics. Till then, goodbye.